Welcome back to another video sharing the content. Today we are back in our store and we are here for the tent guide. So today's video is about tent. We're waiting on the tent guy, and while we're waiting on the tent guy, we are going over floor plans for where we want to put all the furniture. So that's what you saw Shelly doing. She was walking, checking out where we want to put the counter, where we want to put, what are those other things called? Shelves, where we want to put shelves. So that's what we're here to do. You know what's cool? They marked every 6 feet a stud. That's awesome.
How do you know that's what that means? Is it stud?
Yeah, that's what this line is. It's stud.
Oh. So we can have our stuff here, have our retail table here, till about here, and then we can put maybe our clothing on this wall here,
Okay.
here, and then have, but we want to do our shelves. Where do you want to start then? Maybe here.
Yeah.
Start shelves here, just to kind of leave this open for.
Yeah.
Start over there. Here, shelves, till about here. And then we can have this little space to have its own little, whatever we want, like display or whatever we want. It can have its own little corner shelves that way. And then here are,
So that's 6 feet, 12, 12. This 6 foot looks a lot shorter than this 6 foot. Unless it's there, they're there.
so green, what do you think about the black door?
Yeah, that'll be cool. Black
Green,
door.
black door.
Green wall. And what about for the bed? Just those things.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh, that's right, we got so many tables and stuff.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Technically, we can take down all the things in the house, the shelves, the wire shelves.
Yeah.
Those come apart, we can bring those.
Yeah, I thought about that, but I know you're gonna be working there for a while.
Yeah.
Unless you just come in here and set everything up. And just work at it.
Oh, I remember last night, hot water. We don't have hot water in here.
Oh,
So
okay.
we didn't let her know.
Let me touch it.
When I turn the hot water, nothing comes out.
Is it long? Does it take long like ours?
No, nothing comes out. There's no water that comes.
Oh shit, I wonder if this need to just be turned on and on. Let me go check that.
Like a separate water for hot water.
Yeah, there's hot water.
Bring this on. Okay. Okay, good.
Well, I'm gonna see if it gets hot. Yeah, and it gets hot. Ooh, it's super hot. Yeah, you just gotta turn it on. Someone's gotta turn it on.
Great. Turn off the light.
Okay. Yeah, so, I don't know which dog guy is. You're gonna put the clothes racks, you're gonna put the clothes rack on this side.
Yeah, like this, all this space, here, 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 here.
You're gonna put those wire racks that long?
I don't know. This is gonna be the designated area.
For clothing?
Yes.
Oh.
This is gonna be the designated area.
We should probably put like a big sign that says like vinyl
No, we are.
apparel, you know?
We are.
And we can print those.
Yeah.
Get pretty big with that. All right. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. I can't wait till those windows are blacked out. Let me go ahead and take a picture now, because they are soon going to be blacked out. Okay guys, so actually, I don't know why I didn't film. That's the tent guy right there. It's Houston Tent Specialist. I'll put the link in the description below of who it is, the guy who came out and gave us a really good quote. I think it's a really good quote, but there's budget, right? And we have a specific budget for the store. And the biggest thing that we need, even though, so our dilemma is cosmetics versus function in inventory. So of course we can go with cosmetics or we can go with inventory. Which one do we want to spend
Inventory.
our money on? And it's definitely inventory, because inventory results in the sales. Of course, we want our store to look nice as possible, but certain things, if we can't get the look for the certain price, then we'd rather put the money into inventory. And I think that is where we're at with this situation. But what I noticed while talking to the guy is there's already holes for blinds.
Maybe we should ask him how much he would charge just to take it off. Because this is hard for us to take off. You know what I mean? Just to start with a clean slate, and then whenever we have the funds, we can pay to get tint, but just take it off for us so it's not looking raggedy.
Yeah,
You know what I
like
mean?
that store over there, how they're just kind of just
Yeah,
clear
that's what I
windows.
was looking at, but we, just to have all this, like I'd rather it be just clean and.
I mean, he told us stainless steel blades. And that guy, the what you call guy, showed us the thing that he had. I'm sure it's probably cheaper just to do that. That's gotta only cost like $25 for stainless steel razor blades and that tool.
Yeah,
That tool can't be that much, and just come in here one day and just scrape our windows,
yeah.
you know? Is that on the inside or the outside? Oh, that's on the outside, the outline. Can't see, oh yeah, you can sort of see the outline. You know, but yeah, you can definitely hit him up on IG and say, do we have his personal number or just? Okay, we have his personal number, yeah. So we just hit him up, yeah. I guess you can ask that just to kind of clean it up until we want to.
Yeah, because it always.
Yeah. Can you see that from the outside or just from the inside?
I think from the inside. Yeah.
You can see it? Yeah. And that's not that much. Maybe we'll get.
You can see all this stuff.
Yeah. But a lot of that we can cover also with vinyl. I don't know. Decisions. These are the decisions that you have to make when creating your own business. It's very hard. It's not easy at all.
You want to tell them how much it costs?
What?
You want to tell them how much it costs?
No, just in case they ever watch. We're not going to tell them what he quoted us. You know what I mean? Because he gave us a really good deal. So I'm not gonna spoil that. And I don't know if he's gonna give them a good deal, but I definitely would recommend him. I definitely.
He's very knowledgeable.
Yeah, he was
Good
very
resume.
good resume, very knowledgeable. We found him on Facebook Marketplace, but they're a legit business. He had a nice shirt, hat to match, everything. He was very presentable. So Houston Tent Specialist. Again, like I said, I'll leave their Instagram in the link in the description below. What was his name? Eduardo. So hit him up, man. If you guys need any tint for your business, I'm sure they do decals, they do a lot of stuff. So I like the fact that he was able to negotiate. He really wanted our business.
He did.
So once we do go to that, we will be going to him. Because I'm sure, the price that he quoted us, we wrote it down. So if it's not first, it still will get done. You know what I mean? But the goal of the store is to get it open so that we can start having sales. We've already wasted the whole month of June. We were supposed to be open, half of June, and we are already into the 4th of July. So this is you know, these are the things that you go through. We're not making any money until these doors open. So, okay, so our old store had these little wheelie deal things. And is this the good height? Is this the height that you wanted it?
Yep.
So we found these in our old store, and now we have to bring it all the way down there. You got the keys? Oh, I got the keys? Okay. So we're gonna try to record it and push it. Here, you want me to push and you just guide? Yeah, this is heavy. It's working. That's what this thing is for. So, these are the things you gotta do as a business owner. Or you feel like you're pulling hard, or I got, turn it, it's about to hit. Oh. And once it's got some momentum, it goes. I'm barely pushing. This thing is heavy. Always get something done, no matter what. Now we can do our counter. Always get something done, no matter what. Here you go.
We should be in construction.
Got our counter now in our store, so now we can start sanding the counter and everything.
Is this your store?
Yeah, 36. All right.
Oh, this one don't have a hole.
Oh, dang it. Let me go get something to hold it.
Maybe just push it up a little bit and I'll guide it. Is it gonna fit?
Yeah, of course. We're gonna have to swing it that way.
This thing looks small.
No, it's gonna fit. Have to be careful. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna show you what it looks like now.
Yeah.
Yep, so we're in our store. We have our counter. And now I'm gonna start refinishing it. Oh, yeah, as you guys can see, this right here.
This is a good, this is about how tall I want it.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is perfect.
yeah. Measure about how tall those things are, but what about us putting it on wheels or something like that so we can move it?
We can, we just gotta put that board and then we can put wheels, but we
Yeah.
don't want it too moving around
True,
unless you can lock the wheels.
yeah.
Nothing will be fun, put them stand. We need to get the big glasses.
Glass? Oh, yeah, we need to go get the glass, yeah.
The shelves and then the box that goes on top.
Yeah, yep, so we just got a few things that we need though, but yeah, it's in our store. Finally in our store. Yep, so I just gotta, now I can come in here, refinish it, make that counter white, make everything else black.
Mm-hmm,
We're good to go. One less thing. Yeah, today's a good
Yeah,
day.
this will be our week project.
Yeah, definitely. While they're in here too, if they're in here, we'll be in here too.
Yeah.
Yep, we got some time without the kiddos, so be in here.
That was
All right,
perfect.
let's go get everything. Yeah, I know, we got lucky, man. I'm glad we decided to come today and do that.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get everything else.
All right, let's go.
That's gonna be it. We are starving. We're gonna go eat a ton of burgers and stuff. And hot dogs for the 4th of July. Maybe pop some fireworks. Maybe buy like a pack of fireworks or something, I don't know. I think we have some left over from last year.
I think so.
Or from the New Year's Eve. I think we have some left over. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. You know my slogan, be safe, be basic, and I'm starving. Peace.